picking up in Burlington, Colorado, just on the Colorado-Kansas border. Very excited for a day 2. Today we're up and at 'em quite early, so excited to be able to make a lot of miles today.
This is my first time in Kansas. By the largest easel in the world.
Yeah, I mean, we've had a lot of cool experiences with people as we've been driving. For instance, earlier we put a QR code on the back of the unit, and as we were driving, some lady goes driving past us in her Kia Soul. A passenger of her car was sitting there looking through our website, which I thought was pretty cool. We had a gas station attendant come out. There was a charging station at a gas station, and she wanted to come out and check it out, and a lot of great feedback from people who have seen it. So.
The Rivian makes a calculation based on the weight of the trailer for how far it thinks the Rivian can go. But with the miles number ticking up as we were going, that was due to the increased aerodynamics of the trailer rather than a traditional trailer. Pretty exciting day for us. Right now we are at 91%. It's giving an estimated range of 154 miles. We've actually been noticing that based on the aerodynamics of the AE1 Cosmos Edition behind us, that the mileage compared to the Rivian estimate has actually been increasing when we're on the road. So really cool to see those aerodynamics playing out in the real world. We're in Kansas right now. Our next charging stop will be in Oklahoma, and then that'll get us into Texas. One of my biggest things that makes me smile is when we're driving down the road and somebody comes by us and they're just staring super hard at us and just kind of wowed at what they're looking at. So it's really cool to kind of continue to see this trailer become a head turner.
Every time we do a stop, I do a quick walk around of the AE1, make sure that we're all good, check underneath. It's really our first road trip and accumulation of miles, so just want to make sure that we're good, we're sound, and we're towing well. Thus far, it's been great. No problems. Everything's been working out good. So yeah, thumbs up to that.
So here we are stopping at our first Tesla charging station. As you can see, we have our CCS to NACS adapter here, and we're charging up, and it's been working great. We at Lightship chose the NACS charging standard. We kind of felt that was the way that more of the charging infrastructure was moving forward with. One of our electrical engineers, Troy Nergard, he was actually one of the people that was originally responsible for developing the NACS technology at Tesla, and was kind of able to build that a lot of the systems that you'll see inside of the Lightship over here. Southern Oklahoma at a pull-through charging station outside of this Flying J, just off Interstate 35. Something that makes this charging station really cool and unique is the fact that we're able to actually charge 2 vehicles at once. So right here you can see we have our Rivian R1T plugged in and charging already, and we're gonna go back to our Lightship AE1 Cosmos Edition and get that charging at the same time. So as you can see, this is a CCS plug. What you need is one of these to be able to charge. So this is a CCS to NACS adapter, because again, the Lightship AE1 Cosmos Edition uses NACS. So what we're gonna do is just pop this guy on right here, and then you go ahead and plug it in, and just go ahead and complete your payment, and then we're good to go, and we are now charging up. We're gonna wait about 30 to 45 minutes, and they'll both be fully charged. Then we'll continue on our voyage into Texas and end up in Dallas, Texas tonight. You know, this is one of the first times that we've done a longer trip like this. Didn't really know what to expect. I was a little cautious or nervous kind of going into it, but it's actually been far easier than I thought it was going to be. There's been tons of places for us to charge up and stop, even in a place like kind of middle of nowhere, Kansas. We've never really had to worry about running out of power, and you know, the charging stops have been pretty quick, and I found it to be a nice kind of break in the road trip. So the charging experience has been a lot better than I anticipated.